Want ChatGPT to give better, faster, and more accurate answers? Yeah, it all starts with your prompts. In this guide, I'll show you how to optimize prompts for ChatGPT in 2026 so you get exactly what you need. Vague prompts produce vague answers. Instead of asking, tell me about marketing, say, give me 5 digital marketing strategies for small online businesses in 2026. Being specific gives you targeted, useful results. Give ChatGPT context about your goal, audience, or tone. Even 1 or 2 sentences explaining who the content is for makes a huge difference in quality. For complicated tasks, don't ask for everything at once. Break it down, first an outline, then details, then examples. Step by step prompts reduce mistakes and improve clarity. Request bullet points, tables, numbered lists, or step by step instructions. Structured answers are easier to read, verify, and less likely to contain errors. To get creative outputs or options, ask ChatGPT for multiple versions at once. For example, generate 3 email drafts or 5 blog titles, then pick the best one. If the first answer isn't perfect, refine it. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite, simplify, expand, or change the tone. Follow ups help you get exactly the result you want. Keep a library of proven prompts for recurring tasks like emails, reports, or content creation. Reusing successful prompts saves time and ensures consistent quality. And that's it. Be clear, provide context, break down complex tasks, request structured answers, ask for multiple options, refine outputs, and save your best prompts. Follow these steps and you'll optimize ChatGPT for maximum results.